Welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you here. Glad to see you back. Grab your coffee and your tea. Let's jump right into this. First, I want to remind you guys that the brushes that I have, you can get custom brushes from gumroad.com and also cubebrush.co. And there'll be some links in the description below as to what brushes I use and try to utilize. But you can also use, your regular brushes and actually go in custom brush settings and actually create the brush that you want. So we are going to look into this image. This is actually a painting I did, and it was done in color. But we're going to look at when you paint in black and white, or when you're using only values to paint. So, and you want to add color to it, or you can use an existing painting that you've made and you want to change all the colors. This is just one way of doing it. So what I did, I changed this painting, this illustration, into a black and white image, and all I did was go to this little button here at the bottom, the adjustment layer button, clicked on that and went to black and white, and it makes it black and white, and then you merge those two layers together. So what we're going to do, we're going to start in black and white, and imagine you just painted in values only, so black and white, and now you want to add some color. So what you can do, I'm going to choose a very soft brush, like this one right here, or this one. This one has a pressure on it, so I want to use that one. Now, we're going to start with the skin. The skin, we can do like and you can make it skin color, whatever you want, whatever works for you. So what you want to do is click new layer, and this will be the skin. So I'm just going to name this the skin layer, and what we need to do is choose a color for the skin, and I'm going to choose maybe this color right here, something like this. Now for this layer, while we have it selected, we're going to click on this up here, and we're going to go to soft light, and I have my opacity at 100, and you can see all the settings here. I'm going to make this brush a little bit smaller. Okay, now we're going to start going and painting in. Now we're going to do the color of the dress, or the outfit. So we're going to go to new layer, outfit, and we're going to do the same thing, soft light for the layer style, and we're going to do maybe a green, so let's do that, a green, there we go. And you can go to the eraser tool to erase certain parts. And I'm going to make this small to get the smaller areas. All right. So now we got that. For the next thing, we're going to do the hair. So we're going to click New Layer. Call this Hair. And we're going to go to Soft Light for this layer. And probably going to do like a brown. And all right. So now, and you can see that everything is maintained. The all the light and dark and mid light and all the different shades are still maintained because of the kind of style that we're using for this layer. And you can make your brush, light, small, to get the small areas if you need to. Now we're going to do the background. So this will be the background behind her. And we're going to choose a really light orange. And I'm going to make sure that it's soft light. And we can get the background here. So now it's in full color, and I was going to leave that black, the jacket black, and as you can see, I'm going to keep painting, and what I'm going to get is some of this hair. And you see how this adds a little bit of interesting colors. I'm still using the same color. So that's a pretty cool thing, and now you got a full color illustration. So if you enjoyed this video, just click the like, and also if you want me to go over some other things, go ahead and comment below, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I'm going to do some more videos, so stay tuned. You guys have a good day. Peace.